In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and download files in Slack. Whether you're sharing a quick screenshot or sending a full document to your team, these simple actions will help you communicate faster and keep conversations organized. Let's start with uploading. First, make sure you're in the right place, either a channel or a direct message, so your file lands where it's meant to be. In the message field at the bottom, look for the plus icon. Click that and a file picker from your computer will open. Choose the file you want, then click Upload. Slack will attach it to your message field so it's ready to go. This is a great time to add a brief note about what the file is or why you're sharing it. Clear descriptions help teammates understand context at a glance. If you prefer something even quicker, you can drag and drop files straight into the message field. Just grab the file from your desktop or folder and drop it into Slack. You'll see it attach automatically. This works for single files and in many cases for multiple files at once, which can save time when you have several related items. Another handy option is copy and paste. If you've copied an image or file to your clipboard, move your cursor to the message field and paste. Slack will detect the content and attach it for you. This method is especially useful for screenshots or quick visuals you've just captured. Keep in mind that large files may take a moment to upload, and your internet connection can affect speed. While Slack supports many file types, if you run into a file that won't upload, consider saving it in a different format and trying again. Also, naming your files clearly, like including the project name and date, can make them easier for teammates to find later. Now, downloading is just as straightforward. When you see a file shared in a channel or direct message, hover your mouse over the file. A small download button will appear. Click that, and your browser or Slack app will start saving the file. By default, it typically goes to your computer's downloads folder unless you've set a custom location. If the download doesn't start, check your internet connection or your browser's download permissions. That's all there is to it. With the plus icon, drag and drop, and copy and paste, uploading takes only seconds, and hovering to download makes grabbing files painless. Practice these options and choose the one that fits your workflow best.